What do you see is off about how he's reaching for his back?
It's more than I can do.
Well, kudos to him for that.
Yes.
Look at him. He's adding motion. He's laterally flexing here.
And he's holding on to the chair.
Yeah, he's holding on to the chair. And you know he did something like this, right?
Yeah.
For sure.
That's what I have to do.
His thoracic spine and his shoulder doesn't have the right range of motion, doesn't have the right movement and balance with how he moves. What do you think the impact of his lack of shoulder movement is on his neck? On his mid-back? What do you think it is on his hips and lower back? There's an impact. Next slide. So the living body, it's a self-healing, self-regulating organism. The nervous system is the master system. If you interfere with the nervous system through imbalance, through lack of control, through subluxation, then that can lead to disease, lack of optimum health, leads to pain, degenerative conditions, leads to death.